Powerhouse Fitness, and today we're going to be going over the Dumbbell Scaption. Okay, so this is a great shoulder isolation exercise. So we're specifically going to target our deltoid or shoulder muscles. Okay, we're going to start off with our dumbbells in our hands. So we're going to start off again with that firm base. We're going to lift our arms up. You're going to see it from the corner of your eyes. We're not here for the scapations. You want to make sure that you do see it in the corner of your eyes. So we're not having the dumbbells out here. We're going to have it slightly in front of us. So we're lowering it and we're going to bring it back out again. So we're here, slowly bringing it down. Again. So again, this is a shoulder isolation exercise, so you're definitely going to feel it in your shoulder. I already feel it. So if you're trying to get the shoulder gains, this is a great movement to add to your routine. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another one.